the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so let's go straight into it right away, starting with GainX 1200. So guys, this is GainX 1200 and I'm on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this had been an uptrend right from this support region. Remember when I gave out this signal and it broke out above here to buy more, and it is still buying. Okay, if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch back into a downtrend. But for now, it is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is GainX 999. I also dropped this signal earlier today in the morning in my video. If you missed this, if you missed my video, that means you also missed this signal. Okay, so this actually gave us an entry point, and this at this point, after getting to this resistance zone, it switched into a downtrend, gave us an entry point, and of course a stop loss at the resistance zone. And we have some TPs highlighted for us. TP1 has been achieved, TP2 has been achieved, TP3 has been achieved, and TP4 has also been achieved. So we only have TP5 and 6 to achieve. It had a little pullback around there, but it's coming back down again. Once it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be PayNext 1200. Let's check it out together. Okay, this is PayNext 1200. This had been on downtrend, even though the movement was somehow broke out from this support zone to sell more, and it is still selling. If it should break out from this particular support zone, then it's going to sell more also. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. The next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. This has been on downtrend also after breaking out from this particular support region, and it has been selling since then. It has gotten to a new support zone. If it does not break out below it, it's going to switch back into an uptrend. But if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so let's see what will happen from there. Okay, so this is selling at the moment, even though we don't expect it to sell for long if it does not break out below that support region. So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This also has been on downtrend for a very long time. Right from here, it started the downtrend and it has been selling since then. Okay, it still broke out below this support zone, and of course it has gotten to a new support zone. If it should break out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos very well, practice very well on your demo account before you start using the strategies on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.